bilateral bullying and uphold free and open trade as it begins a high-stake diplomatic tour of the region's major export-reliant economies in the bid to position himself as a country as a stable partner in contrast to the United States. The Chinese leader arrived in the communist-ruled Vietnam on Monday and is set to visit the Malaysia and Cambodia from Tuesday to Friday, and also the countries that have been seen the growing trade and investment ties with China in the recent years. In the meeting with the Vietnam's top leadership Monday, Xi also said that the two countries should work together to maintain the stability of the global free trade system and industrial and the supply chains, according to the Chinese state news agency Xinhua. China's mega market is always open to Vietnam. Also, Xi was quoted as saying by the Xinhua that adding that the China and the Vietnam should strengthen the strategic and the focus should be on the joint opposed by the unilateral. Small boat with a single sail cannot withstand the stormy waves, and only by working together can we sail steadily and far, he said. Also, the in-person trips comes just days after the US President Donald Trump paused his reciprocal tariff on most countries for 90 days, narrowing the focus on his trade war squarely on the China. Also, as Washington and Beijing exchange record high levies, Southeast Asian nations still catching their breath from the now suspended US tariffs are growing increasingly anxious about being caught in the crossfire between the world's two largest economies. Seeking to capitalize on the turmoil unleashed by the Trump's tariff whiplash, also Xi has cast China as a reliable partner and defender of the global trade. Vietnam and Cambodia were amongst the highest hit by the Trump's tariff, set at 46% and 49% respectively before the pause. But while countries are rolling out the red carpet for Xi, analysts suggest that they also need to tread carefully and avoid the appearance they are siding with China and potentially risk provoking Trump during their own negotiation over the pending tariffs. We'll have to see how the issues get resolved. Hungary's